Next I'm going to show you how I make thin sheets for protecting the surface. So the first thing I'm going to do is find an object the thickness that I want. That'd be this one right here. We'll work this down until it just touches by finger tight. Slide it over to here and work this up or down until it touches right here, finger tight. And then what I'm going to do is as I tighten it, I'll gradually verify that it sits the way I want. It has to be exactly the way I want. Looking almost there. Little too far down. The reason I'm making this is needed for the top and bottom. We're going to be cutting out a hole. Still too low. This has a little bit of a shift to it that makes it, I think if you designed it better, you would have a better design that would, there, that's exactly what I'm after right there. So that'll work on that end. That produces it. And this produces it right here. So now, next thing I do is switch it on. And I've got this big sheet. And what I'm going to do is cut a couple of sheets out of this. And in order to cut these, you have to be super careful. You can't push too fast, because if you push really, really fast, what will happen is you'll snap the wire. I'm cutting a large amount of material. That's why I say that you have to be careful not to do that. And I'm going to show you, I'll only do one of the slabs so you'll see it, but you'll get the general idea. And where I get the styrofoam is from medical clinics. They get their medical supplies, and they have to be refrigerated, and so they're shipped this way. So here's a bottom section. Notice the smoke. I have the fan in the building running outside. So now I want to make this piece the size of the part that fits in the box, correct? So watch, I'll set this piece on here so you'll be able to see it. And I'm going to take I have a grease pencil, like the old-time grease pencil. I'll draw a line here and one here, all the way to the edge. And when you see this, you won't believe how handy this is. I'll slide this in under here until I get to the black line, and just inside that black line, all I have to do to cut it is just lift it straight up. That cuts it all. And that's how we cut big sheets, is you go right in under it the same way, line it up till you're on the black line, and just lift it up, and away you go. And that's cut. So what that'll do is I'm going to put that now in the box. So you take a look. I have the foam here, and then I'm going to have this pre-cut foam here, and I'm going to cut the shape next out of for the platter. And I'll show you how that's done.